Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20C question 10. The following figure shows a square cardboard ABCD. This is a square cardboard ABCD of side 28 centimeter. 4 identical circles of largest possible size are cut from this cardboard as shown. Find the area of the remaining cardboard. What will be the area of the remaining cardboard? Area of the remaining cardboard. What will be the area of the remaining cardboard? Area of square, because it's a square cardboard, minus area of 4 circles, identical circles. Right? Now first we will find the radius of the given circle. Now we know these are identical circles, so let the diameter of the circle be D. Let the diameter of the circle be D. Now we know that as they are the maximum, the largest possible size are cut, and there are 4 in number. So diameter plus diameter has to be equal to the side, that is 28. Fine. So what will be 2D will be 28. So diameter of one circle will be 28 divided by 2, that is 14. So what will be the radius of the circle? 14 divided by 2, 7 centimeter. Right. So this is your radius of the circle. Now we will find the area of one circle. Area of one circle will be pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into radius, that is 7 into 7. This 7 gets cancelled. 7 2s are 14 and 154 centimeter square. So now what will be the area of 4 circles? Because there are 4 circles, so area of 4 circles will be 4 into 154, that is 616 centimeter square. Now what is the area of a square? The side of the square is, side into side is the area, side of the square is 28. So 28 into 28, that is 784 centimeters square. So therefore the area of remaining cardboard, which you have to find out, remaining cardboard is equal to area of the square minus area of the 4 circles, that is 784 minus 616, that comes out as 168, and it is area, so it will be centimeter square, which is the required answer.